Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jyoti Prakash and let's get into the video. First of all, we need to see Bank Nifty on weekly candle because our market closes around 2 days. So we need to first analysis on weekly candle. After that, we will going to analyze on daily candle and for taking any trade, we will going to analyze on 15-minute candle. Okay. As you can see that on weekly candle, Bank Nifty looks positive to me because it closes above 39,150, and that though that negative candle which made before 1 week ago, we closes above that candle, and also we made an high of 39,600. If market tomorrow opens at as 39,500 and 39,400, and it continues to go up and closes above 39,600 in today or in between 1 2 days, then we will going to take trade for buying, and our target will be round level 40,000. And if market closes above 40,000 during this week, then we will going to take buying trade for with large quantity, and our next target will be 41,000, and market can go up to 41,000 if it closes above 40,000. And if you want to take any negative trade, then you need to wait for Bank Nifty to closes below 38,750 or 30,800. After that, you can take trade for any negative trend. And this is 1 day candle, and here you can see that market closes around a higher side, and it made an low of 38,800. After that, in the last 1 or 2 hours, market continues to go up and closes in on the higher side. If market tomorrow opens at flat or opens gap up, then we will going to take trade for buying. Our target will be 39,500 to 39,600. And for negative scenario, you need to wait to closes it below 39,000, round level 39,000. If it closes below the round level 39,000, then you can expect a negative trend, and our target will be first that low 38,840, and our second target will be 38,600 or 70, 670 or between 600 700, 38,700. Okay, let's look into 15-minute candle. Here you can see that we have closed around higher side, and here you can see that market continues to go up on last 1 and 2 hours, and it closes above. And if it continues to go by opening flat, or if it opens gap up by 200 or 300 points, then we'll going to wait. If it opens here 39,500 or 39,450 level, then we'll going to wait. If we continue, if it made any negative candle in 15-minute or 5-minute candle, then we'll going to take trade for negative trend, and our target will be 39,200 round level. This is the closing price of Friday, and our stop loss will be high of that candle, and target will be 39,200. If market gaps down, open gaps down below 39,000, then we will going to wait for 15-minute or 5-minute to look for the trend. If it continues to go down, and if it closes below 38,800, then we will going to take trade for selling, and our target will be 38,600, and second target will be 38,200. And market has potential to go down if it opens gap down around 39,000, below 39,000, or at 38,800. So you are going to wait for closes below 38,800 to look for any negative trend. Okay, and this is for Bank Nifty. And let's go into Nifty weekly candle. Here you can see that Nifty also looks positive to me because it closes around that gap down, that selling level. If it continues to go up by opening flat or opening gap up, and it continues to go up for almost 15 to 20 minutes on Monday, then we'll going to take trade for buying, and our target will be 17,600. And for negative trend, we need to closes below 17,100, then it contribute to negative trend. But right now I am suggesting you to look for any positive trend. If it opens gap up, or if it opens flat and goes up, then we can take trade for buying. Let's look into 1-day candle. Here also that candle which Bank Nifty made, similar candle made here. If market opens flat or open gap up and continues to go up, and if it closes above 17,420, then our we will going to take trade for buying, and our first target will be round level 17,500. Up, and if it closes above 17,500, then our next target will be 17,600 to 17,630. For any selling scenario, you need to wait for almost 70,000. If Nifty closes below 17,200, then you can assume it as a negative trend, and you can take trade for selling, and your target will be that low candle 17,150 to 17,100. But right now, I am suggesting you to take any buying trade if it opens gap up and continues to go up, and if it's open gap up flat also, you can take trade for buying. Let's look into 15-minute candle. Here you can see that market opens negative and gap down, and after that it continues to go down, and in the last 1.5 hours market continues to go up and closes at the round level, and closes at higher level. If it continues to go by opening flat, as I said, that you can take your trade, and your target will be 17,600. But I am going to take trade if market tomorrow opens between 17,300 to 17,330, and if it closes above 17,330, then I will going to take trade for buying, and my target will be 17,400 to 17,420, because 17,400 to 17,420 is act now, will going to act now as resistance. So our target will be there, and if it continues to go up and closes above 17,450, then your next target will be 17,500. Let's assume market gap down, opens gap down, and it closes below 17,250, then you will going to take trade for negative trend, and you can expect target at least to 17,200, and if it closes below 17,200, then our next target will be 17,150 to 17,100. Okay. And now let's look into the Bank Nifty components. As I said, Bank Nifty components decided where Bank Nifty goes and where Bank Nifty will going to do, what Bank Nifty will going to do. If Bank Nifty components assume 4-5 stocks from the six stocks showing any positive scenario, then we will going to take trade for buying. If also Bank Nifty supported that trend, if Bank Nifty also showing some positive movement, and 4 and 5 banks from they are also showing some positive trend, then you will going to take trade for buying. Okay, and it will help you to gain more profit or made more profit by Bank Nifty options. Here you can see that we will going to look into the HDFC Bank first. Here you can see that HDFC Bank looks negative to me, because it opens around support level of 1,430, but it continues to go down, and in the last hours it continues to go up. But if it made an doji candle, if it breaks that high of that candle, which is 1,435, if it closes above 1,435, then my target will be 1,440 to 1,450. And if it continues to go down in just 5 or 15 minutes, then I will going to take trade for negative trend, and my target will be 1,410. But I am going to take negative or for selling. I am going to take for any selling trade. First of all, it needs to closes below 1,420. If it closes below 1,420, there our negative trend confirmed, and we will going to take trade for selling, and our target will be 1,410 to for round level 1,400. But if it opens gap up and above 1,440, then I will going to take trade for buying, and our target will be 1,450 to 1,460, and that will be our target. And let's look into ICICI Bank. Here you can see that ICICI Bank opens gap up, and if it continues to go up and closes the high of that candle, If we can assume it as positive trend and we can continue with the trend. If it continues to go up by opening flat or opening gap up, then our target will be 1890. Agar it closes above 890 during Monday, then our next target will be round level 900. But I suggest you to wait for any strong movement. If it closes 890 and it made any positive green candle, then you can take trade for 900 target. Then our next stock is SBI. Here you can see that SBI opens flat and continues to go down and closes at 530 and made a low of 526. If it continues to go down by opening flat, or if it opens gap down below 525, then we're going to take it for negative trend and our target will be 520. And if it closes below 520, then our next target will be 515. For buying, you need to wait for 535. If it closes above 535 during our trading hours, then you will going to take trade for buying and target will be 542, 543. Our next stock will be Kotak Bank. Here you can say that it showed some positive movement to me because it made the highs lower highs, and here you can see that it made an W candle also, W pattern. If tomorrow markets closes above 825 or continues to close above 825 to 830, then you will going to take trade for buying and your target will be 840. And if it closes above 840, then you will going to take trade for larger trend and you will going to take trade for longer target. That your target will be the first round level 850, 1850 and second target will be 875. Let's look into Axis Bank. How Axis Bank looks to me. Here you can see that Axis Bank looks positive. Maybe it is if it continues to go up by opening flat, or if it opens above 760, then you will going to take trade for buying and your target will be 770. Let's look into IndusInd Bank. Here you can see that IndusInd Bank looks positive to me, but it needs to closes above 1215 or 1220. If it closes above 1220 and continues to go up, and if tomorrow it closes above 1225, then I will going to take trade for buying and my target will be 1240. For negative or for negative scenario or for negative trend, you need to wait to closes below 1200. If it closes below round level 1200, then you will going to take it for a negative scenario and your target will be 800 1185. And that's it for today, guys. And if you like the video, you can like it and you can subscribe my channel. Bye bye everyone.